Hey there, dog lovers! Today, I'm here to share some expert tips on how to move with your furry friends and make it a smooth transition for everyone. Moving can be a stressful experience for both you and your dogs, but with a little planning and preparation, you can help your pets adjust to their new home without a hitch. First things first, let's talk about planning. It's important to start preparing your dog for the move as early as possible. Gradual changes are key. Begin by packing slowly over a few weeks rather than all at once. This way your dog can get used to the sight of boxes and the hustle-bustle without getting too anxious. Next, let's discuss the actual moving day. On the day of the move, it's a good idea to keep your dog in a quiet, safe room with some familiar items like their bed or favorite toys. You can also have a trusted friend or family member take care of your dog during the busiest parts of the move. This will minimize stress and keep them safe from the chaos. Now, the journey itself. If you're moving a long distance, make sure to plan for rest stops where your dog can stretch, relieve themselves, and drink water. Never leave your dog alone in a parked car as temperatures can quickly become dangerous. Safety first, always. Once you've arrived at your new home, it's time to help your dog settle in. Start by setting up a designated area with their bed, toys, and food bowls. This familiar setup will provide comfort and help them feel secure. Gradually introduce your dog to the new space, allowing them to explore at their own pace. Consistency is also vital during this time. Stick to your dog's usual routine as much as possible, including feeding times, walks, and playtime. A predictable schedule will help your dog feel more at ease and understand that not everything has changed. If you're moving to a new city or neighborhood, take some time to explore the surroundings together. Go on walks, visit local parks, and introduce your dog to new sights and smells. This will help them get accustomed to their new environment and burn off any extra energy. And of course, don't forget to update your dog's ID tags and microchip information with your new address and phone number. This ensures that if your dog ever gets lost, they can be quickly reunited with you. So there you have it. These expert tips will help make moving with your dog a breeze. Remember, patience and preparation are key. Your dog relies on you to make the transition smooth and stress-free. Thanks for watching and happy moving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more dog-friendly tips and tricks. See you next time.